Did you know that a simple herb you have in your kitchen right now might be a powerful immune booster? Herbs aren't just for flavor, they pack some serious health benefits that can surprise you. Let's dive into the top 5 herbs that can transform your health. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring something fascinating: the health benefits of flavorful herbs. Herbs have been used for centuries not only to enhance the taste of food but also as natural remedies. From boosting immunity to reducing inflammation, herbs offer so many health benefits that most of us aren't even aware of. In this video, we'll look at 5 specific herbs that can make a difference to your health. So, if you're interested in learning how to add more nutrition, flavor, and wellness to your life, stick around. Let's talk about some common health issues many of us face. Stress, poor digestion, inflammation, lack of energy sound familiar. Many people turn to supplements or medications to solve these problems, but there are natural solutions hiding right in our kitchens. Herbs offer a way to tackle these issues with natural, plant-based solutions. The challenge is that most people don't know how powerful these herbs can be. Instead of reaching for a pill, you might be able to reach for a sprig of rosemary or a handful of basil to help improve your health naturally. Today, we'll focus on 5 herbs you can start using to support your body and feel better overall. Alright, let's explore the 5 surprising herbs and their amazing health benefits. Basil. First up is basil. Known for its fresh, slightly peppery taste, basil is more than just a pizza topping. It's rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. Studies have shown that basil can help reduce oxidative stress, which is linked to aging and chronic diseases. Basil is also known to help with digestion and may even reduce stress levels. Use it fresh in salads, pasta, or smoothies to enjoy its health benefits. Rosemary. Next is rosemary, a fragrant herb often used in roasting meats or vegetables. Rosemary has been linked to improved memory and concentration, thanks to compounds like carnosic acid, which is known to protect brain cells. In addition to supporting brain health, rosemary also has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects, which may aid in digestion and help relieve muscle pain. Try using rosemary in roasted dishes or add it to a homemade tea. Turmeric. Turmeric is one of the most studied herbs, known for its bright yellow color and potent anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, is known to reduce inflammation, which is helpful for conditions like arthritis. Additionally, turmeric is linked to improved immune function and may even support heart health. Add turmeric to curries, soups, or make a golden latte to benefit from this powerful herb. Thyme is often used to season meats and vegetables, but it's also packed with health benefits. This herb has strong antimicrobial properties, which can help fight infections, especially respiratory issues. Thyme is also high in vitamin C, making it a good immune booster. Adding fresh or dried thyme to your dishes can enhance flavor and support your immune system at the same time. Last but not least, oregano. Known for its role in Italian cooking, oregano contains a compound called carvacrol, which has been shown to have antibacterial properties. Oregano can help support the immune system, reduce inflammation, and may even improve gut health by balancing the gut bacteria. Sprinkle it over pasta, add it to soups, or make a quick oregano-infused oil for a powerful health boost. Out of these herbs, one that stands out with surprising health potential is turmeric. Turmeric's active ingredient, curcumin, is a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant that has been shown to support brain function, fight inflammation, and even aid in heart health. But here's the catch: curcumin is difficult for the body to absorb on its own. Pairing turmeric with black pepper, or a healthy fat like olive oil can significantly enhance absorption, unlocking its full health potential. This simple combination can turn turmeric into a powerhouse for reducing inflammation and promoting overall wellness. Incorporating just a pinch of turmeric daily, along with black pepper, can make a noticeable difference in how you feel over time. To sum it up, these 5 herbs, basil, rosemary, turmeric, thyme, and oregano, offer amazing health benefits beyond just adding flavor to your meals. Each herb has unique properties that support health, from improving brain function and immunity to reducing inflammation. By including these herbs in your diet, you're adding natural support for your body's wellness. So next time you're in the kitchen, reach for these herbs and experience the added health benefits for yourself. What's your favorite herb to cook with, and have you noticed any health benefits? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're interested in more natural health tips, don't forget to check out our other videos. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more insights on boosting your health naturally.